Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm so glad to have you here today and happy holidays. I hope that you're having a great start to your day and your week or whenever you're seeing this video. For those of you that are new here, my name is Ashley and I am a stay-at-home mom. I have a 2.5-year-old daughter and a little Maltese Yorkie mix. Her name is Princess and I live at home with my husband. In today's video, I decided to take you along with me on what is basically a typical night for me as a stay-at-home mom. So I wanted to share with you a really easy, healthy dinner recipe. This is a go-to for us, usually in the summertime, but we have been using this a lot more in our rotation for weekly dinners. So this is just a very easy zucchini casserole. It's a great way to get in some veggies. That's something that I've been working on with our dinners, is just finding ways that I can incorporate vegetables. It sounds so simple, but sometimes just breaking it down to simple things like how can I incorporate more vegetables is just what we have to do, you guys. So that's what we're doing in today's video, and I'm going to take you along with me as I do kind of my closing shift. I like to do this most nights. Get dinner ready, try to tidy up if I can. It doesn't happen every night, but on the nights that it does happen, it's a really good feeling, not only for me, but to set us up for success for our nighttime routine and for when my husband gets home from his job. If you're a returning subscriber, I just wanted to thank you so much for being here today for this video and supporting me on my channel. If you're new to my channel, let me know how you came across this video. Please consider hitting that subscribe button, leaving a comment down below, and then giving this video a thumbs up if this is something that you enjoy watching. So right now I am just mixing everything together. I will leave the recipe for this casserole down below. I often will use my Instant Pot as just a really quick way to get chicken cooked, whether it's frozen. Usually if it's frozen or basically defrosting, I usually use the Instant Pot. So let me know if you guys have an Instant Pot down below. I feel like it can be a game changer for those nights when you just need to cook chicken or anything quickly. Like I said, that's frozen. I find it to be very helpful. So that's what we're doing today. So as I have the dinner ready to go in the oven, the recipe calls for anywhere from 35 to 45 minutes. When we made it last week, I did 35 minutes. So what I did this week was I left it in for an extra 5 just to give the zucchini time to really kind of cook and soften. And I found definitely a more significant difference just letting it cook a little bit longer. So depending on your oven, you just want to keep an eye on that. Okay, so if you guys are wondering, maybe you're not, you might be thinking, Ashley, are you wearing Stars Above jammy pants in this video right now? Did you wear those all day? Let me just tell you, the answer is yes, but I actually showered this day and I just wanted to put on some comfy clothes. If you're a woman and once a month you have a good friend that comes to town, and sometimes you just want to be comfy and cozy. So yes, I'm wearing pajama pants because I found those to be most comfortable. Honestly, guys, when I am in my house cleaning day to day, just going through tasks, I always aim for comfort. It's just who I am. I don't know. I would rather be comfortable than dressed up all the time. I don't even know what that means, dressed up, to be honest, because what is dressing up? On occasion, I'll throw on jeans, but I prefer to be comfortable. So yeah, just know you're not alone. We don't have to look super fabulous to still love our homes and take care of our homes and our family. And sometimes being comfortable, and cozy in your own home, guys, that's the whole point of us having our own home. So yes, I definitely did film this in my jammies, but this is real, this is raw, and this is who I am, you guys. So just wanted to toss that out there. Whether you're watching this video today for motivation and inspiration, or you want to get up and do things with me, or you just want to sit and watch and just chill out, I totally get either one. I just want to let you know that if you are ever struggling and you find some days to be a little bit harder than others, just know that you're not alone. If you're a new subscriber, I haven't touched upon a lot of this. But I did mention it in a previous video that these past 7 months I've been going through some health issues, and we are still working on getting some answers, and it's been really tough mentally and physically on my body. So just keep in mind, I know sometimes we can see things on the internet and we can see people in their lives, and sometimes we may think we know something or how things are going, but we might not always know. And with that being said, like when you come to my channel, I just want you to know, no matter what, whether you're having a really good period or time in your life or things are really challenging, whether you're going through some things mentally or physically, or there are health issues in your family, I want you to know that you're not alone. And I want this little corner of the internet, this like tiny little speck that we have here with my 850 subscribers. Thank you guys so much. But I just want you to know that you're not alone and we're all doing this together. Taking care of my home is my favorite thing to do. And with my health issues, I'm not able to do that all the time in the capacity that I used to be able to. So I've just been finding so much joy creating these videos when my body allows me to. And I just know that things are going to get better, even on the days when it feels like we don't know and there's a lot of uncertainty. But finding the positivity and taking care of like the things that we love, our family, our homes, it makes a world of a difference. And really just like leaning into that gratitude and appreciation is what has been helping me a lot these past several months. So I just wanted to kind of toss that out there just to let you know, like if you're struggling and if you're having some tough mental health days, that I get it. I never, just like a workout, which I can't do right now, but you never regret like cleaning your home and taking care of yourself and your loved ones and the place that you live. So anyways, a little chatty, a little rambly, but I just wanted to let you know that you're not alone, because I know we can see stuff online and your perception or perspective could be totally different of my videos than maybe like what I'm aiming for. So with these voiceovers, I just hope that you guys have an opportunity to get to know me for, you know, who I really am. All right, well, without further ado, we're at the end of the video. So thank you guys again so much for being here, and I hope you have a wonderful rest of your day and week.